Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add the Exness demo account in MT5 in 2026. For that, first of all, you need to come here on exness.com. Afterwards, simply log in into your account if you haven't already. Now over here, you are going to see the My Accounts section, where if the real account is selected, you need to select the demo account first, then click on the option of trade. Now, when you click on the option of trade, you will be shown a bunch of different options, like we have Exness terminal and the MT5. So since you want to add our demo account in MT5, you need to simply select the MT5 option over here. Now, after selecting the MT5 option, it is going to show you your server, the login details and the password available. So you need to first of all simply copy the server. Afterwards, simply open a new tab here in your web browser. Then simply search for MT5. Now, when you are here on MT5, you can either download the MT5 software for Windows, or you can also continue with the web terminal. Now, if you decided to select the web terminal, you can just simply come over here. Then you can select the option of connect to account. Now, over here, you need to provide the server that you have copied from Exness. Then simply go back and provide the login ID and then simply select your password. So when you enter all of these details over here and click on the option of connect to account, you are going to basically log in here with the help of your Exness demo account in your MT5. So that's how you can do it. Thank you.